In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable YouTube stories on your account and how it actually works, because I've been getting a lot of questions about how some people are able to post YouTube stories with just like 20 subscribers, but then you need 1K or even 10K subscribers. So I'm going to explain how that works right now. So first of all, if you want to post an actual YouTube story, if we just go over here, you'll see that you actually need to have 10K subscribers. So I'm currently able to do this. If I click right here, you'll see the plus icon, the plus story one, and that's where I can post a story. So for this, you do need to have 10K subscribers. But because there's a lot of confusion, because some of you will see other stories from people that don't have 10K, I'm going to show you how that works. So if I scroll down, over here you'll see short videos. Now these are kind of like stories, so if you click on them, it will look like it's actually a YouTube story. So if I click on one of them, let me do that right now, you can see that it looks like a normal YouTube story, right? But this is actually a short video. So if I click on this channel, you'll see that the videos on this channel are really short, and YouTube will then translate them, transform them into a YouTube story. So this is not an actual story. As you can see right there, there are no story tab because they're probably expired, but these are short videos. So if you upload a short video on YouTube, there's a chance that you'll actually see this on here in your feed, but it's not an actual story. It's just a short video that YouTube decided to transform into a YouTube story. So if I click right here, once again, you'll see the short video on the channel. It's not an actual story. So that's how that works as of right now in 2020. This video was made in August. I might do an update when it changes, but yeah, that's it. If this gave you the right information, leave a like, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day.